I may have spent some monies on another piece of equipment. Let's talk about that equipment. Today I am supposed to be receiving a package from Gopro Vision, which is a infrared conversion service company. And they sell pre-converted items, and one of those pre-converted items is a Hero 7 Black. Now, I already have a converted Hero 7 Black. This is my case for it. And I want to take this Hero 7 Black, and I want to know what the difference is of my homemade full spectrum camera versus their homemade full spectrum camera. I know they have a few things that I don't, like nice nifty little lens caps that fit over the thing so you can have everything on here instead of a big old rotating circular lens, which is gonna be cool. But I wanna know if there's like differences in, like, you know, the quality of the pictures and whatnot. No, the reason why I'm doing that is because I wanna put them up against each other and see if my homemade one works just as well as theirs. Now, it's no mystery that I have a lot of GoPros. I got to thinking about things, and then I found two more that I was thinking about. Okay, so I have a Hero 3. I have a Hero 3. I have a Hero 5. I have two Hero 5 sessions. Hero 3, 5, two Hero 5 sessions. Two Hero Pluses. I have my Fusion. I have my Max. I have my Hero 7. I have my Hero 9. And I have this Hero 10. So that's 11 GoPros I have in my arsenal. And I'm going to add a 12th one. A 12th one. And it's going to be full spectrum. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I also got another purchase. And it's kind of a questionable purchase because it currently is not working. And I'm going to make it work. I bought a Karma drone. Now, I didn't want a Karma drone when it first came out because I was like, I don't buy the first iteration of something until something's been proven and made, and it's probably a good thing because GoPro has had a lot of trouble with the Karma drones. And I think they have forcefully landed them a couple of times to keep people from getting them. But that being said, I bought one. I know enough about technology. I know enough about computer programming and languages and engineering and all that stuff. I am pretty sure I can get that drone in the air, even if it resorts to warranty voiding things that I do to this thing. Which is funny because this thing's no longer under warranty. This thing's no longer a thing. I can actually hack the servos and get things going. I can fit an HDMI interface in the thing and make the HDMI interface work. I can flash the controller to run as a basic PV controller that will be able to run that thing without no problem. And I really don't want to go to those resorts. I'm going to use like the technical way of doing it first before I go through the hacking my way through it. But either way, I'll have that drone up in the air. And the reason why I want to get this drone up in the air, and the reason why I got another one of these guys, is because I wanted something that was very low spec that I could get things going on to do photography in the air with my GoPros. Now, I have a lot of infrared photography. I do a lot of infrared photography. I love infrared photography. And I want to put it in the air. I want to do time lapses with it, all that kind of stuff. Gopro also has a 360 Max full spectrum, or whatever translation of infrared you want to get. I almost want to do 360 in infrared, but that'll have to wait for another day. So, that being said, it's going to be an interesting year. That's my project for the year. I always got to get a project in my head, or else I'd have something wrap my brain around, or else I'm going to go crazy. And this is going to be my project for the year. It's going to be aerial photography. It's going to be infrared photography. All the stuff that I used to grow up and do. The things that made the year in photos something where I cataloged my days. That's what I'm hoping to do with this. So, purchase number one was this thing from Gopro Vision, which I'm getting today. Purchase number two is the drone itself that I bought from a resale site. They say it doesn't work. They can't connect it to the controller. I have an idea how to connect it to the controller. If that doesn't work, I'll tear the thing down and I'll reformat the thing, and I will put in my own source code to make it get it in the air. That also being said, I also made a third purchase from GoPro directly that will facilitate that. But also I wanted to get some of those really cool enduro batteries to put in my cameras so that I can do time lapses in the wintertime, because I've been trying to do night lapses and I get like 30 minutes in, then the camera dies because it's frozen. So we're gonna try to mitigate that problem as well as I sent firmware to GoPro directly, because I have that capability. That should fix the battery issue that people are having with the Hero 10. I'm hoping. We'll find out. That being said, we've made it clear to the end of this 5-minute spiel and beyond, because that's how it works. It's been 5-ish minutes. So we're going to put a word at the end of this video. For the people who don't know, I put a word at the end of the video. If you write that word in the comments, it lets me know you made it clear to the end of my ramblings. That being said, today's word is going to be karma. So if you can put karma somewhere in the description below, I know you made it clear to the end of this video. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.